Hello! I wanted a new camera angle for this wonderful occasion of being back after like 40-day hiatus. It's hot in here and I need your help. This is a video simply to ask for your help. And you may be wondering what that help is. Well, let me get out of this hot steaming car before I die of a heat stroke. And let me explain a little story on these C4 Corvettes and why I need someone out there to hopefully have what I need. So give me a second. It might be quicker for you. Oh, yeah, C4 Corvettes. Yeah, they're great. Really easy to get out of. Let me grab that too. So, this is where we're at. The car has broke, but not in a mechanical way. You see, if you know anything about that sign or that sign, you may know what I'm talking about. The turn signals have broken. Now you may be wondering, it's not that bad of a repair. Well, if you own a 1991 to I think it's 93 C4 Corvette, you know it is kind of a big deal. There's some other things I'm working on too, but this is the big one. Sorry, I'm using my phone to try to track this camera. My other one is still around, but I'm currently trying to figure out a better way to use both of them together. Oh, now flip around, little man. There we go. Perfect. This is actually a nice view. So here we are, right? C4 Corvettes from 91 to 93. If anyone knows anything about them, that's not supposed to happen. I was driving down the road. I've been having issues with my turn signal, and I knew something was going on. Well, little did I know that this is a new one for me even, and I've owned another one of these. There is, if you can get in there, it's kind of hard to see. There's a little bit of plastic up on the top, right? And then there's supposed to be another piece on the bottom. Well, the issue being is the piece on the bottom broke. So I don't have a right turn signal. I also have a left turn signal, but you can't push it back up because there's no bottom piece that controls both of them. So I'm without turn signals. Now I can still drive the car with hand signals, but I don't know about you. I don't really want to be driving around my car with hand signals. I just feel like it already kind of looks dumpy. That might make it beyond that point. So you're probably asking, what do I need you for? Good question. Well, so that part was discontinued by General Motors and was not produced anymore. Now there is a company that I can send that to that will remanufacture the product for me for $400 to repair a turn signal. Mind you, I don't remember the last time I spent $400 on the car. I did the whole transmission for under $400 on this car. Clutch, rear main seal, new boot for the shifter, and I'm still out for under $400, even with material and supply on that. The bread was very expensive. Now, the problem is that, how long will it last? I plan on keeping this car for a while, so that could break. So the company that makes the reman part and will send yours in, repair it and everything for you, also sells a like kind of adapter kit that will actually retrofit to a new style that will not break as much. So that might be the plan on this car. That's $500. So what do I need you for? I need someone out there that has one of these, maybe somewhere that has taken the steering wheel off, that maybe has one in working condition, that they'd be willing to get rid of cheap. And then down the line, I can do the fancy rebuild on it. But General Motors decided, because of the tilt on this couple years, it's a limited part that was limitedly run. And once it breaks, there's nothing you can do about it. And I've checked forums, I've checked videos, and I can't seem to find a solution to the problem. There's no easy fix. There's no just go to the store, buy this part number, it'll slot in there. It's the wiper switch, not the multi-function switch, not the turn signal stalk. It's the proper term is from a fella online, the wiper switch, which the stalk goes into and controls that. It also plugs in all the other things in it. So I need your help with that. I know it's been a while since I've been on here, but I'm really hoping maybe one of you has advice. This is the first time I'm actually asking for true advice on this, or maybe some help finding the part. There's a guy that was online talking about an auto repair place in Phoenix that used to have these on hand. He knew what they were worth. Maybe that guy will see this video, or maybe someone can tag that guy if you've had experience with it before. But I do need help, and that is what I'm asking. That's it for this video. I simply am asking for that. I am working on a big project with this. To give you a glimpse, so working on a speaker setup, I am custom printing and making actual boxes that I designed myself. I'm going to see how they work, and that's going to be a full video in redoing my front speakers from the Bose factory setup to a upgraded 6.5-inch custom spec box that will still work in the grill cover and everything to look at stock appearance. I already upgraded the rears, so hopefully you guys will see that shortly. I got the design done on the speaker box. I'm making the brackets now for it. But you're going to see a video of a custom 3D printed speaker box. I know that that's not really the proper material for a speaker box, but it will do just fine. I'm not sound like I'm not anything fancy. So you'll see a custom designed box for C4 Corvettes that you guys will hopefully be able to print at home. And then you can install them yourself if you want to upgrade to 6.5s on that. So stay tuned for that. But please, if you know any info on this wiper switch, please send it my way. I'll be looking forward to any comments that may have suggestions on it. Other than that, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in, and I appreciate it.